All right, this may take a while. The connection sucks, but reports, run reports. This is for the temperatures of the refrigerator. System activity, refrigerated devices, temperature log. This may take a while. No, not too long. You can put in your dates. We do it at the end of the month, last day of the month. Choose your locations. You can clean up your report if you want to, then run. I'd be curious to know if your Pyxis server takes as long as ours does. There you go. I'll export it and send it to you as well. There it is, and we don't print it. We just save it to a shared drive at work. All right, that's all there is to it. Love you, bye.